Hello, my friends. It is me, Cleo, short for Cleopatra. I come from ancient Egypt, and I am here to take you on a journey to an old world. In our music lesson today, we will be learning how to compose a song about any book. But in order to begin, we must start with a bit of a warm-up for our arms, our legs, our shoulders, our diaphragms to get ready to sing. Are we ready? Let's go, my loyal subjects. Let's start off with rolling our shoulders. Going forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and going backwards 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's shake our arms. Oh, look at my very jazzy armbands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put your hands on your belly. And we're going to activate our diaphragm. We are going to practice doing a belly breath by blowing out some candles as if they're on a cake. So let's have a go together. Watch me. Hands on your tummy, pretend that you're blowing out the candles on a cake. We're activating our diaphragms. Now take a big belly breath in for 8 beats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We are ready to now begin our lesson. The song we are going to sing today involves lots of different characters, including Jaws, which is a shark, Romeo and Juliet, an ancient couple, Romeo and Juliet, and Superman. This is a call and response song. Cleo will go first and you echo after Cleo. I'm going to do some movements, some actions. You can follow those as well. Ready? Jaws was swimming in the sea. Jaws was swimming in the sea. Ate a diver for his tea. Ate a diver for his tea. Chopped him up into little chunks. Chopped him up into little chunks. Then spat out his swimming trunks. Then spat out his swimming trunks. Well done. Next part is the chorus. So watch the movements. First part goes honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Can you try that? Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Again, honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. That goes 3 times. The third time it moves up in pitch. Have a listen. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Last part goes honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Let's try the whole chorus, starting with our honk honks like a horn. Ready? Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Well done, let's keep going. The next verse is about Romeo and Juliet. I wonder if you know that story. Romeo and Juliet, Romeo and Juliet, on a balcony they met, on a balcony they met. Romeo said to Juliet, Romeo said to Juliet, you're the cutest girl that I ever met, you're the cutest girl that I ever met. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, 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 round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. The next verse is about Superman. Superman was not around in my time, not around in Cleo's time. Echo. Superman flies through the air, Superman flies through the air, in his sexy underwear, in his sexy underwear, looking for his Lois Lane, looking for his Lois Lane. Is it a bird or is it a plane? Is it a bird or is it a plane? Ready for the chorus. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Well done. Now we're going to try it with the music. Now I hear that I won't be able to hear the music without something you all call headphones. So here are my headphones. I wonder what they do. I've never used them before. Let's have a go. My, I think this could be an iPad. Jaws was swimming in the sea, Jaws was swimming in the sea, ate a diver for his tea, ate a diver for his tea, chopped him up into little chunks, chopped him up into little trunks, then spat out his swimming trunks, then spat out his swimming trunks. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Romeo and Juliet, Romeo and Juliet, on a balcony they met, on a balcony they met. Romeo said to Juliet, Romeo said to Juliet, you're the cutest girl I ever met, you're the cutest girl I ever met. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Superman flies through the air, Superman flies through the air, in his sexy underwear, in his sexy underwear, looking for his Lois Lane, looking for his Lois Lane. Is it a bird or is it a plane? Is it a bird or is it a plane? Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Your task today for Queen Cleopatra is to compose your own song. So The first thing you need to do is you need to think of a book or a character that you have read about. The second thing you need to do is you need to write 4 sentences which sums up this book or character's whole story. It really only needs to be brief, and there needs to be 7 syllables per line. So for example, in Romeo and Juliet, it goes Romeo and Juliet, 7 syllables. On a balcony they met, 7 syllables. Romeo said to Juliet, 7 syllables. Each line must have 7 syllables. It really does help if it does have those same length of syllables. The next thing you need to do, after you write your 4 sentences of lyrics that sum up the story, then you actually need to sing the tune of your song using your sentences and edit the words so they fit the tune. Another thing you might have noticed is that some of the lines actually rhyme in the verses. You can choose to use rhyming words, or you can just choose to tell the story, whichever you feel is going to help your composition the most. Rhyming words do make it a bit catchier. So after you do step number 3, you sing the tune of your song, you edit your sentences so they fit the tune, then you can make up some moves that go with your lyrics. The 5th thing to do is to perform your song using the backing track, which I'll give you. You may want to perform it to a family member. So there are 5 steps to compose this song. Number 1 is to think of a book that you're reading or a character that you've read about. So I'm going to pick Cleopatra. Surprise, surprise. And Cleopatra was a queen in ancient Egypt. So these are some things I know about her. I know she was a queen. She ruled over Egypt from the time that she was 18. She was really well known for wearing lots of gold jewellery, as you can tell, here, the armbands. There are lots of stories about Cleopatra, but none have ever been confirmed as truth. So let's have a look at the verse that I've written about Cleopatra. So now we're up to part 2, writing 4 sentences that sums up the whole story of my character. I've decided to use rhyming words in my song. I think it helps it to be more catchy about Cleopatra. These are my lyrics. So it's Cleopatra was a queen. She ruled Egypt at 18. So queen and 18 rhyme. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. That's the story we were told. So gold and told rhyme. Now you might notice that sentence number 3, wore a lot of jewelry gold. I would say that's not correct English, but luckily with lyrics you can change things around, and we all know it means that Cleopatra wore a lot of gold jewelry. We're up to step number 3. I'm going to sing the tune of the song and make sure that my words fit. If they don't, this is when I would edit. Let's have a go, see if it works. Ready? Cleopatra was a queen. Cleopatra was a queen. She ruled Egypt at 18. She ruled Egypt at 18. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. That's the story we were told. That's the story we were told. I feel like that worked really well. Now, step number 4 is to make up some movements to go with your lyrics. This can make it catchier for the audience to join in with. So for Cleopatra was the queen, I'm going to have a bit of Egyptian hand movements. Cleopatra was a queen. Cleopatra was a queen. She ruled Egypt at 18. She ruled Egypt at 18. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. That's the story we were told. That's the story we were told. Great. So I've got my movements. I'm now up to part 5. So I'm going to perform my song for you now using the backing track. My top tip is to practice your performance before you perform it to your family. I might need those headphones that I didn't have when I was in ancient Egypt. Give me one moment to get my headphones. Headphones on. Here we go. So we can perform my song. I'd love it for you to be my family member to do the echo with me. Ready, Cleopatra was a queen. Cleopatra was a queen. She ruled Egypt at 18. She ruled Egypt at 18. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. Wore a lot of jewelry gold. That's the story we were told. That's the story we were told. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, round and round and round and crash, beep, beep. Honk, honk, whoosh, crash, beep, beep. Looks like my song worked. Those are the steps to be able to compose your own song about your own book week character. Good luck, and I look forward to hearing your compositions.